Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is variable in Java? It is a name of storage space which is used to store data. Its value may be changed. It always contains last value stored to it. It is always declared with data type. Variable declaration. Int roll no, float marks, char grade. Here roll no is a variable of type int, marks is a variable of type float and grade is a variable of type char. Variable initialization. We can initialize a variable at the time of declaration of variable or after declaration. Int roll no equals 201, float marks equals 85.6, char grade equals a. Here 201 as the value of roll no, 85.6 as the value of marks and a as the value of grade. Character value is always written in single quotes. Other method of variable initialization. We can also initialize a variable after the time of declaration of variable. Int roll no, float marks, char grade, roll no equals 201, marks equals 85.6, grade equals a. Rules to define a variable. The first letter of a variable should be alphabet or underscore. The first letter of variable should not be digit. After first character it may be combination of alphabets and digits. Blank spaces are not allowed in variable name. Variable name should not be a keyword. Types of variable. Local variable. Instance variable. Static variable. Local variable. A variable declared inside the body of the method or constructor or block is called local variable. Local variable can be used only inside that method function in which it is declared. A local variable can be a static variable. Example of local variable. Instance variable. A variable which is declared inside a class but outside the body of the method or constructor or block is called instance variable. Instance variable can be used anywhere in the program. Example of instance variable. Static variable. A variable which is declared with static keyword inside a class but outside the body of the method or constructor or block is called static variable. Static variable is stored in the static memory. Static variables are created when the program starts and destroyed when the program stops. Static variable can be called by class name directly. Example of static variable.